Now, over at the users forum, we're always getting queries about what are the best settings to use if you want to really get the best out of SpinnerChief when you're auto spinning, so that you can get a good quality, almost human readable article. So we've added a button to the spin dialog, and you might have seen it earlier on, but I'm going to show it to you now. I'll just put a paragraph in here to work with, so we can have a look and see what's happening. That's a straight paragraph off an Easy in Articles article. Now, when we go into the spin dialog, there's this magic settings button here. There's nothing really magic about it, but when you click it, it automatically sets the spin settings to what is going to produce the best quality, human readable and unique article. Unique in the eyes of Copyscape, and we'll test that in a minute. So if I hit magic settings here, you get a notice saying that basically you don't want to be spinning multiple articles on this setting. It's only really good for producing one rewrite of an article, because if you produce more articles, they're probably not going to be unique from each other. They're only going to be unique from the original. So let's have two articles there, because the first one will be the original. And let's spin it and see what happens. Now that's the original there, and this is the spun version. Let's have a look and see how it reads. Consuming the best foods will safeguard your brain's delicate nerve cells as well as nerve vessels through aging. The very best brain meals are no distinct from what's great for your coronary heart. So no there would be better, you might want to change it to not. It's not perfect, is it? In the end, they each require a steady flow associated with oxygen along with a smart diet to operate towards the top of their video games. So obviously video games is wrong. You'd want games there, which is what was in the original, I think. Still, fruits and vegetables aren't a diet as just options. You would maybe want to put sole options there to make it read sense. And then, actually, you might be amazed by the best food for losing weight. Well, that's fine. It's almost there, not quite. Couple of tweaks and it's going to be there. And the way we've done it, I'll show you the way we've done it in a minute. Let's have a look now. This is the original article. Let's check that by Copyscape. Now, you've seen this before. You do need a Copyscape account if you haven't seen it before. It goes off to Copyscape and has a look to see whether the article is original or unique or not in the eyes of Copyscape. And this is not, because it's in at least 4 different places. So if we now skip over to the spun article, that's not the one. Check by Copyscape, that one. It's going to do exactly the same thing again and see if the spun version is unique enough to pass Copyscape. Congratulations, no reduplicate content. So it has passed, so you would only need to make a couple of tweaks there to get a human readable article that passes Copyscape. Now, we're not saying this is going to happen every time. We can't guarantee that you're going to pass Copyscape every time. We can't guarantee it's going to be human readable every time. What we are saying is this is a highly advanced setting to use when spinning, and it's going to help you the most if you want to auto spin to a good level and get near to passing Copyscape. And this is what happens when you in the spin settings. When you hit the magic button, let's have a look at the thesaurus. We have now, this is the list of the type of auto replaces. We've now got this addition, auto spin to most readable and unique. And what that does is, first of all, it's going to replace phrases, because phrases are the least likely to have a double meaning. So when you replace one phrase for another, the chances are it's going to read well. Then it's going to have a look at this setting here, which is it's saying spin every third word, which is what you need really to get through a Copyscape. You need at least every third word to be different. So it replaces all of the phrases that it possibly can, and then it has a look and says, well, are there any sections of words that I haven't changed yet? And then it'll, if there are, it will change words so that at least every third word is changed. So that is spinning to the most human readable level, and it's making its best effort to make it unique for Copyscape as well. Again, it's not guaranteed, but it's very useful, very powerful feature.